Together to Ayelala. Come out and swear. Let's go to Ayelala to swear. If Frank actually stole a pin from you people, if Frank actually stole anything in your office, and I want to challenge you, let us go and swear. Let us use Ayelala. Since you don't believe in God, let us use what you believe now and swear. If you and your wife did not use your boys to brutalize me
and say Swaggerlicious human rights and a wife say na fake them be, una not they believe me. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people. This one pass Joromi, Swaggerlicious native daughter and a wife human rights way that they do, their nyash door open no. This video when I want show now so not be evil messy oh no, or not that boy or not that guy don't come out fall out for them now say human rights them say they be scam, say in work with them and the eye see so many things, say if you want talk they go they use that they are juju, that they are juju, say they blackmail you. Say if you talk, they go use that juju take them you. Like the way it says he do Messi. Now the guy now, when the guy can't see the video of Messi, now he can see get the courage, can't say cry out. My darling people, why people be like this? Why some people they wicked? Why? Why people they wicked for this life? In BT say in go fit intimidate Messi. Messi go school. You be like say you dey forget Swaggerlicious. Messi go school. Because you dey carry your, after you don't carry egg, go carry broom, take go swear. They measure innocent Messi name. Then that one not reach you. You can go carry juju. Say na juju now you want to do one. My darling people. Why some people they wicked for this world? Why? Thank God now. Messi now, he don't make many people now don't fall out now. Or no, that boy don't come out again, my darling people. More now watch this video when I want to show now so. Una go see Shockalize again for this one. Una want tell me say this one see the light or na Messi go bribe this one. More now listen. I will come understand what I dey talk about.
together to Ayelala. Come out and swear. Let's go to Ayelala to swear. If Frank actually stole a pin from you people, if Frank actually stole anything in your office, and I want to challenge you, let us go and swear. Let us use Ayelala. Since you don't believe in God, let us use what you believe now and swear. If you and your wife did not use your boys to brutalize me, to violate me, if you didn't collect my phone, uninstall every application in my phone, if you people did not rob me of my money, if I did not narrowly escape death in your house after I served you 24 hours a day without payment, after all, we reach agreement on what you're going to pay me for working with you. So let's go to the gods you believe in and swear. It's a challenge. All this lie you are lying against Messi, no problem. I was not there, but the one of Frank, I was there. My own, it happened to me. So let's go to the gods that you believe and swear. If you didn't, you and your wife did not commit that crime because you were speaking English over there. You are a crook. And Nigeria belongs to all of us. You cannot use the police you are giving money to intimidate us. Your Abbas and your Kayode, we are so close on them. We bring them to book. Don't worry. Don't worry at all. This is a challenge. Come as soon as possible. Let's go to Ayelala and swear. If Frank stole 1 pin from you people, if you and your wife did not use your hired killers to attend my life in your house, if what I wrote is false, let's go to the God that you believe in.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening.
So this is the dad, this is the boy. This is the boy we told you guys about. And that's my friend that came.
Who I could call for them to also share their story so that, yeah, let the truth be out. And like I told you guys, everything I've said on social media before is not anything of blackmailing. I have concrete evidence and it's nothing but truth. So if you have a lawyer, anybody you know that can act on this very well, please, I'm pleading with you. This is the time for us to stand as one nation, one love, people who love each other, and let us make sure anybody who tries to humiliate someone, not just me or anybody, let us stand against that thing. I know we can do it. So if you know any lawyer, like I said, even if it's 20, if you know them that they are willing to help, please just get in contact with me. Yeah, so yeah, I was told to get a shorty, but anyway, I came back yesterday, so I'm still searching for that. The reason for that, according to them, was that so that if there is a case coming on that they want to see me, the shorty will be held responsible if I'm not around. That was what they told me. And anyway, I'm not, even without the shorty, I'm going nowhere, because those people can't take me out of Lagos. I promise you that they can't take me out of Lagos. So I'm going nowhere, and I have concrete evidence, like I told you guys before. Yes, they came into my house searching my things. But I asked myself, do you think I'll be that dumb to keep these things in my house? You don't think I would take them out immediately when this saga happened? But unfortunately, yeah, maybe that's what they think. And some of my goods were seized. But as I speak to you, I will get them soon. My vital documents were taken away from me, and they are with them. But according to them, they told me I will get them back once the case is being executed and being investigated. I'm not a law. I didn't read law, so if I pronounce those words the way they're not supposed to be, please pardon me. So after that, yeah, we'll get in touch and know what will happen. Anyway, you guys, from that video.